आयतारा जर्मनी, कोस्टारिका आणि गिनियाचे प्रतिनिधी येऊन गेल्या उपरांत सोमारा ब्राझील आणि इंग्लंडाच्या प्रतिनिधींनी फातोर्ड्या स्टेडियमाची पळोवणी केली। ग्रुप डीतले ब्राझील आणि निजर 13 ऑक्टोबराक हांगा खेळटले। ग्रुप एफांतले इंग्लंड नॉकआउट राउंडात गोंयांत खेळूंक शकता म्हणून ताणीय पळोवणी केली। उपरांत तांचे प्रतिनिधीन खोस उक्तायली।
All the experience. We go on like that. We are very hospitable.
Definitely, we feel it straight away. As soon as we came to Mumbai a few days ago, everything's been a positive experience.
How about Bambali? It was good. Bambali, that first place.
No complaints. We spent a few days in different cities now, and I think India is going to do a very good job of hosting the World Cup, and Goa obviously is going to be part of that. So. We're very looking forward to coming back with the players, and hopefully we can put on a good performance that will represent our country in a good way.
इतले मजगती शाळांची फर्स्ट टर्मिनल एग्जाम वर्ल्ड कप सुरू जावचे पयलीं सोंपोवची अशें सर्क्युलर शिक्षण खात्यान काडला। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस।